Hi and welcome back. So today we're gonna make some sensory drawing bags. So these bags, we're gonna make a couple different kinds. So depending on what you have available to you, you can make some. We'll see how they all work, kind of test them out. These can be used to do kind of like these magic these magic drawings that you can erase, or kids can use them for letter practice, word practice, and things like that. So we're gonna make one that has paint in it. And then I'm going to actually put two colors in one so that you can see how you can use it for color mixing.
I'm going to try one with just regular flour and water and food coloring. See how that one turns out.
All right, so we're just going to take all these ingredients and just put a little amount in each bag, and then we'll kind of show you how they all turn out. All right, so we wanted to show you some of the sensory drawing bags that we made and how they turned out so that you can figure out, what you've got available and if any of these you want to give a try. So
this first bag here is just the leftover shaving cream from my marble project that we did. So all you need is a very little amount of shaving cream in here with a little bit of food coloring. You can use these to draw different designs and they erase. So all you do is just rub your hand over it and it erases. This one here is made out of flour and water, and we just used food coloring to color it.
So this one draws pretty, we're just using Q-tips to draw. You could use your finger. The Q-tip just gives a little bit more control. So this one draws pretty well. This one kind of erases after a couple seconds. It starts to erase itself, so that's a cool feature of this one. Again, this one was just flour, water, and food coloring. You could also do flour, water, and then put a couple different drops of food coloring in and kind of let the kids mix it up, and then they can witness some color mixing, which is kind of what I've left here in this bag. This is just paint. Any paint would work. This is just washable tempera paint. You could tape the top closed if you really want it to be something that doesn't get out when they're messing with it, but I just did some yellow and blue paint and left them separate so that your kid could kind of squish the bags together, kind of start to draw with it and play with it. And as they're doing that, you can see that I'm starting to see that yellow and blue mixed together to make green. And then these paint ones, you really don't need much paint at all. I've got a yellow one here. I did tape the top just with some duct tape, but that's not necessary. But these paint ones, again, you could use to draw, write things, and then it just erases by kind of squishing the paint around. And then you've got, endless drawing possibilities that you can easily erase and keep going.
I would recommend using
a freezer bag.
Yeah. And make sure you get all the air out.
Yeah, just because they're a little bit thicker, so it'll stand up to, a little bit more drawing and pressing over time. But yeah, let us know if you make any sensory bags and kind of what you use them for.